newer 2003 built home located in the quiet neighborhood of Pine Park. This well-maintained 3-bed 2-bath bungalow has been upgraded with Pergo flooring, includes energy-efficient double-pane windows and has a built-in laundry closet for added convenience. It also features a vintage coquina shell 1-car garage that could be configured as an artist studio or kept as a spacious workshop. Walk over toward supermarket for your grocery needs or grab coffee and lunch while getting work done at Curia on the drag. This home is just 2 miles to the Innovation Hub, UF in downtown Gainesville. See it now before it's gone.